rid of a swimming pool. There used to be a pool right here, and I believe it was a adult-only pool where they allowed topless bathing. Yeah, it was right here. And you'd never know it. Of course, you might be wondering, why the hell is this grass spot here? But unless you saw it before, you would just walk right by it. And that saved them a lot of money not having it. They have a sand-bottom pool that goes into a gunite pool. You can see the Las Vegas Strip way in the distance. It's a little hazy today, so you probably can't make it out, but with the naked eye you can see it. And there's the spa over there and fitness center. This is an absolutely gorgeous property. It really is competing. It really is competing with Red Rock for that top spot. There's just a few things about Red Rock to me that are better. And I think it's just because a lot of the parts of Red Rock that I like are bigger. You know what? I don't know if they've got bingo out here. Did I miss it? It's not like this is the only time I've ever been out here, but I don't remember bingo. But I'll make sure before I leave. And this is the lobby.